Okay, as you can see here, I have a bunch of smaller weights. They are rusted. Got some 2.5s, 3 pounders, 2.5 pounders, 1.25 pounders, some collars, and a bar with an aluminum sleeve. So I'm going to scrub these down and proceed to the next step. Okay, here are the plates. They're rusty, they're old. I'm going to scrub them first with a wire brush. Let's see how that goes. Alright, that's about as good as I'm going to get them with the wire brush. You can see some of them came out a little bit better. Some of them still need a little bit of work. I didn't do much on those York collars. They're pretty good. These are going to need a lot of work. Alright, now it's time for the vinegar bath. Okay, I'm just picking these up. Walking them over here. Put them in this metal basket. And I'm going to fill that with a mixture of 50-50 vinegar and water. Take the vinegar. Okay, this is 1 hour in. And you can see the vinegar doing its stuff. So I'm just going to do my best to kind of clean it off in there with vinegar on a rag. This is currently my solution for the rusted bar. I have a rag that is soaked in vinegar and water, and I've wrapped it around the bar. Same thing on at this end. I'll just let that sit. Okay, here's what it looks like after 5 hours of a vinegar bath. Doesn't look too bad. So now I'm going to set up to paint them. Now we're going to spray paint it black. Here's the next step. We've started coloring in the plates, just using this pen. Here's the finished product. I think it looks great. That looks like brand new. Just bought it in the store. My daughter's finishing touch on the barbell. Thanks for watching.